Okay, just relax, kids. We're gonna put our birds on your hands. Okay, so let's wait for Ella. Okay, so let's start with this one. So this one is Zook, our Philippine Scops owl. They are the largest in the Scops family. And don't you know that an owl can rotate their neck up to 270 degrees without breaking blood vessels or tearing tendons. While on this side, this one is Ella, our Eclectus parrot. Did you know that Eclectus parrot has extreme sexual dimorphism, meaning males are totally different from the females? Male Eclectus parrot has bright green feathers with yellow beak, while female Eclectus parrot, just like Ella, has bright red feathers with black beak. Kuya Johan, what can you say about Zook?
He's kind of cute.
Cute. Okay, how about you, Ate Atia? What can you say about Ella?
She's super cute.
Super cute also. Alright, how